Welcome to Nature Channel. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey to explore the mysterious depths of Saturn, the ringed giant of our solar system. Beyond the red planet. While Mars captures our imagination with its rusty landscapes, Saturn reigns supreme in the realm of gas giants. The second largest planet in our solar system, Saturn shares similarities with Jupiter, both composed primarily of hydrogen and helium. But what truly sets Saturn apart are its awe-inspiring rings, a dazzling spectacle unmatched by any other planet. Unveiling Saturn's secrets. For years, scientists have yearned to understand the mysteries of Saturn. Thankfully, missions like Cassini, which bravely orbited the planet for 13 years, have provided invaluable data. Thanks to Cassini and others, we now have a much clearer picture of Saturn's internal structure and composition. A hypothetical descent. Let's embark on a thought experiment. Imagine we have futuristic spacesuits capable of withstanding the crushing pressure and extreme temperatures within Saturn. As you begin your descent, the breathtaking panorama of Saturn's rings unfolds before you, a majestic dance of billions of ice and rock particles. Interestingly, you'd fall at a similar speed as on Earth at first, as Saturn's gravity is only slightly stronger. Soon, you'd pierce through brilliant white clouds of ammonia crystals, where the temperature plummets to a bone-chilling minus 130 degrees Celsius, a world colder than anything on Earth. Despite the immense pressure, equivalent to that at sea level on Earth, these clouds remain surprisingly thin. Continuing downward, you'd enter a darker world of swirling brown clouds composed of ammonium hydrosulfide and ammonium sulfide. Here, the pressure increases to between 2 to 4 atmospheres, and the temperature remains frigid at around minus 100 degrees Celsius. As sunlight fades completely, your advanced helmet would illuminate the path ahead. Brace yourself! As you descend further, violent winds, some reaching speeds of up to 1,100 miles per hour, would whip past you. These are some of the fastest winds in the entire solar system. Without your protective suit, you wouldn't stand a chance. But fear not, your high-tech gear keeps you safe, allowing you to continue your exploration. After plummeting for about 140 miles, you'd reach the bottom of this turbulent layer and enter a region of towering dark water ice clouds. Massive bolts of lightning would illuminate your path as the pressure intensifies to around 10 atmospheres and continues to climb. Two hours into this extraordinary journey, you'll be about 250 miles deep within Saturn. Here, the immense pressure begins to squeeze the hydrogen gas, causing a dramatic temperature rise, scorching hot at around 1,000 degrees Celsius. This extreme environment thickens the atmosphere, slowing your descent. But your advanced suit protects you, allowing you to press on. After many hours of this incredible descent, you'd find yourself deep within Saturn, reaching a region of metallic hydrogen. The immense pressure up to several million atmospheres transforms the hydrogen gas into a liquid metal. The temperature soars to thousands of degrees Celsius, causing your surroundings to glow intensely. This metallic hydrogen is believed to be the source of Saturn's powerful magnetic field. the heart of the giant. While we can't journey to Saturn's core in reality, scientists believe it to be a solid sphere composed of rock, iron, and other elements. Here, the conditions are truly mind-boggling. Temperatures possibly exceeding 10,000 degrees Celsius and pressures reaching millions of atmospheres. This is the ultimate frontier, a realm beyond human exploration for the foreseeable future. The enduring mystery. While our hypothetical journey has reached its end, the true exploration of Saturn continues. Every new mission unveils more about this fascinating gas giant. As we develop new technologies, who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the depths of Saturn. This video provided a glimpse into the wonders of Saturn. What other mysteries of the cosmos would you like to explore? Share your thoughts in the comments below.